Hey guys, we are now in Ginza and we're now going to check out the Hello Kitty store. There's all the lucky bags. There's many kind of lucky bags. So you can see here. Oops, we are blocked. So we have a variety of 5,000, 2,000. So here's one of the sample bags. There you go. Yep. So I just got another 2 more. It's really a free for all battle right now. Smile. Okay, now the car is settled down, so we'll take a look at the place. Okay everyone, so we have 4 bags we purchased from Sanrio Ginza. They're all individual bags. So I have limited space. So this is what we have. That's one here and another one here. So we're going to do some unboxing. So we'll start off with this one. It's a Sanrio character. You can see that. Okay, so right off the bat, going to remove the cable ties. Okay. And let's see what do we have. Nice. Everything has been packed extremely nicely, and this is some stationery items that we have. So I'm going to open up and we'll see everything. We have a plush toy. Yep, it's a... Oopsie. Yep, it's a keychain. Nice. Followed by this stationery holder with some notepad, a pen, pencil, this cinnamon roll. Yep, there you go. And this is a pom-pom purine toothpaste. Yeah, like, you know, put the back of your toothpaste and then you start squeezing all the way. And yep, Tuxedo Sam. Oops. Followed by, what's this? A little small pouch. Melody small pouch. And last but not least, we have a Pom Pom Purine. I would believe this is a chopstick set. There you go. You have a spoon, you have a chopstick set. It's, you know, it's good for the environment. You don't waste the wooden chopsticks, you know, use this, wash it again, rinse and repeat. So there you go, we have the first box. And now, we have another one. Okay, so just to let you know, let everyone know that you can purchase all these mystery bags, Fukubukuro, I think that's what it's called. Everything inside, it can be anything. You know, you can have the same stationery set, but the mascot will be different. So check this out. Okay, so yeah, same thing. Once again, it's nicely packed. Oops. Yeah. Ta-da! Kiki Lala. Yep, that's it. There's nothing inside. Okay, so hello. Yep. Yep, they're joined together, stitched together, and there you go. Hello. You see your the other eye? There we go. It's the back of it. So we've got one here. What's next? Pouch. A shoe-shaped pouch with laces. That's actually quite nice. And what's this? My Melody tumbler. Fun fact: how to tell a tumbler if it's it's really a thermal vacuum. You actually keep all the heat and all the keep your hot drinks hot, keep your cold drinks cold. Take a tumbler, open up, okay, see inside. If it's stainless steel or anything, it doesn't matter. What you do is put it over here. If you can hear a hollow sound, it means it's a real thermal. Okay, there's vacuum in between. You keep your drinks hot. So at this moment, no, it doesn't. It's very minimal. So we have another pouch. Hello Kitty Sanrio character. It's very nicely done. And we have a Gudetama correction tape. There you go. Last but not least, it's a big towel for Sanrio characters, but I don't think I will want to open up. So there we go. This is the second box that we have. So I'm going to put this back. And now we have this, the bigger ones. So we'll start off with the red one. Okay, what do we have here? We have a bag. There's something inside. So it's a mystery bag in a mystery bag. Check this out. Hello. It's Hello Kitty. It's a cushion actually. What does it say? 2019 edition Hello Kitty. This is a towel. Kid size actually. And okay, we have two shirts. Someone please tell me what's this. I think I may name him just now, but yeah, my Sanrio knowledge is quite limited, so help me please. And I think this is fabulous. This is Gudetama exclusive t-shirt. Why I say that? This is an iconic, the iconic Japanese wave, you know. I need to find the name of that wave. No, it's really iconic. You have the Fuji Mountain, Gudetama, absolutely exclusive. There's one more. There's two more. Same thing. We have the same flask. Just put it right there. And we have 3 plastic containers. Yeah, just take a closer look. So I'm gonna put everything back. Oh, we still have this. About it. Okay, let's see. Isn't it pretty? Starting at the back, but it's nice in the front. Oh, what do we have here? Exclusive Tokyo Skytree. So it's a Skytree edition. Yep, Skytree 5th anniversary. And what's this? Gudetama. Yeah, Gudetama keychain. Gudetama figurine. That's exclusive. And this is a. We have a file behind. There you go. We have a file behind and another pouch. Last but not least, okay, this right here. It's a pink one. Whew. Okay, let's open up. Wow, same thing. We have this. And another set of plastic containers. Tower, kid size. Another one of this. Tumbler. And of course we have cinnamon roll. Okay, let's set it up there. Hello. Stay. Okay, stay. Oh, this is looking fabulous. Look what we have here. A bag. Let's open up the bag. Ta-da! Little twin star bag. Look how nice it is. It's really a full-size bag. You know, just, yep. One pouch, 2 pouch. On the opposite side, you have a zipper for it. Yep, I mean it's quite reflective. Oh, and of course, you know, you have the strap for it. There you have it. This is the unboxing that we have for the mystery bag 2019 edition. And yeah, I'm going to repack everything. It's in a mess right now. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Yeah, and one more thing, I forgot. This one, yep, I took it out, but I forgot to show you guys. And let's see. Ta-da! Cinnamon roll. Okay, there's nothing in there. What do we have here? We have a flask. Cinnamon roll. Melody. I think this is a passport holder or something. 3 items. The first item will be yep, this is definitely a passport holder. There you go. Passport holder. So it's an album. It's like a small photo album. Can't really decipher what is it, but yeah. It's like, you know, little cut slots. I don't know what is it, but yeah. Last but not least. Yep, this is the real one, the real flask. Okay, I mean, it's so nice. I'm just gonna leave it, but yeah, this is for real. The way it's advertised, it says right here, they actually you know, keep warm, keep cold, okay. So if you open up, you know, put it against your ear, you will hear the hollow sound. Okay, so that's it. Thank you guys, and this time for real. Thank you once again. See you in the next one.